So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a color background to your design here on Canva, the desktop version. So once you have Canva opened up, it doesn't matter what design you want to that you open up. If you have a blank design, the background is automatically going to be white. Now, if you want to change that to another color, so let's say, for example, you want a green background, it's super straightforward. Press on the background right here. You open up this color wheel sort of towards the top right here. Simply just press on the color wheel right here. Now you can just choose a solid color if you want. So if you just want green right here, there you go. But if you want to make it a specific type of green, so let's just say, for example, you want it to be more of like a darker color or whatever, simply just press on the color wheel one more time. Then you can sort of get the color wheel open up right here. You can kind of change it to different colors if you want. You can also slide the bar over if you want it maybe more purple, for example, just like that. And then once that is done, just press off of it, and now your background is colorful. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how you guys can add a color background here on Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.